Hey everybody, Scott here with Bigger Chrome Shop. I'm excited to do another product spotlight for you guys. Here we're going to talk about some of our newest apparel we just got in. We have 4 new hats and 3 new t-shirts, hot off the press, so I just want to run through some of these real quick with you. All the hats that we have are the Legacy brand hats. A really high quality hat, really popular. We have about 14 different styles now. The newest styles that we have are the one line logo style with the charcoal or the yellow logo, and they come on a black hat, and then we have the gray back or the black back. And then we also have our popular circle badge. This one's got orange around the outside, and this one's just the traditional gray. Again, black and gray backs on these with the snapbacks and the mesh as well. And our newest t-shirts, what I'm really excited about, we have a gray shirt with kind of a greenish blue and with the tan truck. It's kind of got that tribal background as well. We also have one of my favorite new shirts, the Bigger Chrome Shop Drive Hard shirt. And this one it's a more of a sand putty color with kind of a dark navy text, as well as the truck on the back. So this one's front and back. And then we have the heather blue shirt with the Bigger Chrome Shop in black and yellow, and then American Muscle on the back. So some of our newest apparel, just some really cool new shirts, new hats. Excited about these. We have them all in stock here at the shop. They're all online. So come on down to Bigger Chrome Shop. We're at 3735 South Washburn Street. All these shirts, like I said, are at biggerchromeshop.com, and these hats. Otherwise, you can call us at 920-769-0611. We're on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. We're everywhere. We'd love to talk to you. Come and grab a shirt.